You know what it is. Just another day in the life of Omaha M3. Who we got? We got Gary here with his 7 billion horsepower M Coupe. Just got these wheels and he's saying what? Hey, don't curse, man. It's on my YouTube.
Blur it out. Blurp it out.
Gotta blurp this guy out. So these wheels, these Dinan springs and these OEM competition shocks are off of a 15,000 mile EAG E92 M3. And what this didn't have was the Dinan handling kit for EDC. And we also got camber plates. Drives so well. It's insane. What is it doing? What is my drone doing? I'll tell you right now. My drone's doing its own thing right now. I think, oh my God, my drone landed. What the heck? Drone! I'm coming for you, buddy. So, where was I? Recently, I hit 100,000 miles. So, my car's a 2010 Sedan, not competition. So, I got competition shocks off a very low mile E92 M3, which had Dinan springs. And on Dinan's website, I saw that they have a supplemental ride quality and handling kit. And this kit, and I'm quoting the website here, this kit includes tuned progressive rate bump stops that maximize suspension travel on the lowered car for improved handling capabilities and ride quality when compared to just a spring set. In addition to the bump stops, this kit includes front guide supports that increase the available suspension travel by 3/8 of an inch, and Dinan rear shock mounts that provide an additional 1/2 inch of shock travel for improved ride quality and performance. Facts, okay? By allowing full compression travel within the spring, the possibility of a sudden bottoming out is negated, a common unwanted side effect when lowering a vehicle. Bump stops also have the added benefit of optimizing the spring rate, rewarding those that use them with added mechanical grip and cornering power. Basically, the worst thing I could have done, which is what I did at like 40,000 miles into 2 weeks of ownership when I first got this car in August 2017, was lower it on H&R Race. So bad, so bad. I do not recommend this for anyone. I don't know how I drove just over 6 years like that, but my car feels like a 7 Series right now. It's comfortable. In all EDC modes, it's very comfortable. With the H&R Race, I would with the H&R Race setup, I would, like on my M settings, I would have the EDC set to comfort, because like I would press M on the freeway to do an overtake, and just my EDC was always like so rough. Because I believe whenever it's in sport, your shocks lock up like coilovers. So correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but yeah, in all modes, sport, normal, comfort, it's very good. Very, very good. Traction, traction, traction. Wow, just my car like complete 180. I thought it was good, and I was wrong. This is phenomenal. Good job, Steve. Good freaking job. So if you guys haven't yet, hit me up on Instagram, Omaha M3. If you're here, you know that my YouTube channel is misterdre. All right, I'm just gonna talk until I don't want to talk anymore. I've been up here for an hour now, just shooting and filming and looking good, I guess. No one's here? No one's at Good Vibes Breakfast Club? It's good, man.
How's it going?
Scary for like 1 second.